Hello. Hello, everyone. Uh, Today I'm going to present my paper, which is LPG gas leakage detections alter with analysis capability using IoT. Under the conference, actually, there's 10 editions at IEEE International Conference on Automatic Control and Intelligence System. Will be held in 27, 28 June 2025, Berjaya Times Square Hotel, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I'm the second author. Actually, I'm going to present behalf of the first author or corresponding author, Mustafa. So if you have any questions once I finish my presentation, if you have any questions, maybe you can refer to the email below the author's names. Um, and first of all, I'm going to start with the agenda. Actually, the agenda for this presentations contains introductions, related work, methodology, result, conclusion, and future work. You know that the liquid or liquefied petroleum gas is one of the dangerous in the world. If anything's happen, such as accidents or fire explosions, so it's very dangerous and risky at the same time. So we can see here in the statistical study of gas explosions in the world, especially in China, because and US, United States, they have uh, the highest populations in the world. So, for example, in China, there are 37% of explosions, and US is 32% in the world cases of explosions. In this study, we're going to propose a new methods can detect the LPG leakage. So this is and this kind of methods going to uh, like give alarms to those who use gas. So the purpose of this study is to reduce the gas explosions. Okay, there are a lot of previous studies with the same area. They all always they have some of methods they implement, but majority of those studies um, far from satisfactory. We need to develop their future work. As we can see here, I selected only three. We have a lot. If you want to refer to our papers, you can find a lot of gaps on this particular study. Okay, for related work. So our methodology, actually, we use RAD. RAD is a rapid application development model. This kind of model is emphasize and very quick and very respond to our results. We implement a lot of some of kind of methods, but this is RAD is suitable for our works, for our study is efficiently, and also it is um, uh, converse time and resources across the various study stages of design. Okay, so this is what we use for our methodology. Here we can see our algorithms. Actually, our algorithms start from two steps, which is when our prototype starts to detect the gas has two options, whether it's going to be yes or no. We have gas leakage, If yes, that means the steps we're going to three steps. First, going to be check whether this is gas leakage detected. If detected, there is beside the detections there is a buzzer on, an LED on. What is the purpose of the buzzer and LED? The purpose of there is a like a device going to be sent alarm to the user or to the administrations of the controller. And the third steps, which is gas leakage data sent to the Excel sheet or Google Excel sheet, because any problems in the detections going to send through the Google uh, Google sheet. Okay. Then after that, if the going the once is finished, because we have three types um, of sensors. We have MQA sensors, we have DHC sensors, and we have another types which is EP ESP32 border, also the sensor. I'm going to explain it one by one once I reach this slides. Okay, once it's email sent to the data, so the users are going to fix the issues if anything happened. If you know there is no leakage or no gas detections on LCD, then going to start also move to the display MQA sensors. I'm going to explain it. MQA, what does mean? And also going to display to the DHT22 temperature and humidity value. Once it's complete, we're going to resend also reports that mean everything okay for the gauge or gas leakage. Okay, here we use actually two types of detections, which is microcontroller and IoT LPG detection sensor will be assists with identifying gas in the environment. Okay, our proposal method use initiate the system by joining the hotspot or Wi-Fi network. Okay, the system will send certain threshold value where we use because if the temperature of the gas is higher than the threshold, so it's going to send alarm to the user. Okay, if collected value less than the threshold value, it will not act or continue since the auto sphori, okay, gas value. Otherwise, email will send to the user who is concerned about the gas leakage. The hardware that we had used for this prototype, actually, we use three types, as I said, in our algorithms. DHT T22 sensors, and we have ESP32 border, and we have MQ2 gas sensor. For MQ2, actually, there are a lot of MQ. We have MQ6 and we have MQ5. So, but this kind of MQ sensors is very important and it is very concerned for our study because it detect the smoke, alcohol, any kind of any pure in the gas, so it detect the detections. The range of detections will be between 200 to 10,000 per part million. Okay, we use SP32. This kind of board is for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Okay, sent to our Google Sheet, and we have DHT sense. This is to measure surround the air and spit. out digital single on data pin. The sensor is very important, so that's why we use it in our methodology. The figure here we can see uh, for detections systems. Once we have actually four phases. Phase is the input, we have process phase, and we have output, input output phase for cloud Google Sheets, and we have physical output phases. So all of these phases is work together. If anything's happen, going to send to the Google Sheets, and also the prototype in physical output. They worked parallel. The prototype. The result, as we can see here, the result for our prototype show that the accuracy of this method is higher than the preceding relevant study and very encouraging. Uh, the test for the testing that was done involve testing each feature that is available in the system. Okay, majority testing on the systems was done by using lighter and several instance stack. Okay, two types of result we have. Actually, we have gas leakage detections altering, and we have data accusations. In the gas leakage detections, we have like the physical phases, which is contains the LED indicators and buzzer and LCD. This is give alarm will be activated which including the three kind of that prototype to provide immediately local alert. So this is for gas leakage detections alarm. Okay, and we have the second type data acquisitions, because every actions happen to for gas leakage, so it's going to record as an Excel sheet. So the Excel sheets will contains all the informations. For example, we have conditions, humidity, LPG, smoke, temperature, all going to send through the Google Sheets, and the users can read it. Okay. For our conclusions, actually the system, it is very useful. It's very important for our life. It is protections so that any potential issues can be identified and resolved. And also this helps prevent future incidents, ensure the safety of any environment where natural gas is used. Um, for our study, for our future work, maybe can provide applications, that applications sent to the users uh, in real time, so can updating all the data through the applications. Okay, this is for the references if you need. Okay, and thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions, please refer to the first slide, which is contains our email. Okay, and also I would like to thanks the organizations of this conference. Thank you so much. See you soon. طيب.